Hey everyone, I just need to talk you through grouping. So for our schools that need to group their students, first you need to log into your school portal, choose your convention. I'm going to choose P&G as we have this one coming up, and you'll go straight into your students grouping. Now, where you've added students to a particular event, say it may be duet, um, or Bible Bowl, then the students taking part in those events have to be grouped. And this is where our grouping comes into play. Please do not click on combined team slash group events. This is only for where a school needs to combine with another school, for instance, in a choir, and that would only be because the school does not have enough participants to actually make a choir. And there's limitations on that rule, so it's not for majority of our schools. For grouping, all we need to do is it will actually flag up. So it would mean here where I've got Bible Bowl open, it means I've had three students that want to do Bible Bowl, and therefore then they need to be grouped. So we click on the three lines here, and you click on the drop down. It now shows you the three students that I've chosen for Bible Bowl, and all you do is you just click on each student. Once you've done that, you choose a group number. So group one, if you had more students for Bible Bowl and you needed to make two teams or three teams, then you would just give them group one, group two, group three, and then group them. So if you did have three teams, you'd have group one, you'd have another group here and another group here. Okay, that's how you create your grouping. Once you've done that, you can go straight back to your list, and you would have noticed then that I've got another um, two students that need to be grouped in that list. And so that's actually now Bible Bowl is now gone, as you can see. It's gone down here, all done, all grouped. There's no students now that require grouping, but I've still got two students here for table tennis doubles that need to be grouped. So again, we click on the three lines. It will tell me who those students are that need to be grouped. Click on both students, and again I will change them to group one, create the group, and that is now complete. So now when I go back into the student grouping list, I should have no students that require grouping. Voila. And that is how we do grouping. Please reach out to us if you have any other questions. Thank you.